there, and welcome back to my channel. I apologize again for being gone for so long in 2018. 2019 is a new year and I'm back and I want to make YouTube a priority again. So for those of you that have stuck around with me, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. For new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I hope you like my content. I do plan on switching things up a little bit more in 2019, so just bear with me. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. I'm always willing to try new things, to create stuff that you guys want to see, so just let me know down below. Without further ado, let's jump into this video though. So guys, it has literally been forever since I have filmed an unboxing video. I've bought a few luxury items since my last unboxing video that I just didn't share because A, they were pretty popular items, so I figured people wouldn't be too interested in them, or they were too small to create a video. But I really love unboxing videos. Like, I genuinely am obsessed with them. I could watch unboxing videos like literally all day, even on stuff that I can't even close to afford right now. I would still watch it just because I'm that obsessed with them. So I decided to kick off 2019 with a unboxing video for you guys on something that I actually purchased back in 2018, but we'll say is my first luxury purchase of 2019, and I want to share it. 2018 was a really stressful year for me. There were a lot of times in 2018 where I just was stressed, like really stressed, and I like to reward my hard work because I'm an extremely hard worker with things that I love, and I'm embarrassed to say, but I love luxury items. So I decided to purchase this gift for myself, to myself, from me to me. Yes, so I'm so excited about it and I want to share it with you guys. I purchased this item from Fashionphile, and for those of you that don't know what Fashionphile is, they're a luxury reselling website. They also have stores, I believe, in New York and California. Don't quote me. I will leave a link to their site down below for you guys to check them out for yourself. This is not my first purchase from Fashionphile. This is my first purse or bag purchase, but I've also purchased smaller items from Louis Vuitton, like wallets and stuff from Fashionphile, and they are completely legit. Every time I purchase something that's not from the retailer, like it's not directly from Louis Vuitton or wherever, I always like to take it in to just double check that it's real. I'm not trying to spend money on fake things. I don't like carrying fake things. And yeah, so the last couple of items that I got were from Louis Vuitton, and I took them to Louis Vuitton and they were authenticated as real pieces. This is not from Louis Vuitton, and I'm really excited because I don't know, I'm just really excited about it, guys. Like, I've really been having my eye on this bag and I'm really excited that I finally have it. So let me just go ahead and open this up for you. I actually already cut open the box just to save some time, but this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's of course in the Fashionphile box, and you have your thank you card right here, and I believe this is like my receipt and information on the item. It just says it gives you peace of mind that you're buying a certified item from Fashionphile. If it's not real, you can take it back and you receive a full refund. And then this is the item that I purchased, my receipt and stuff. And it just talks about reselling with Fashionphile, because you can also sell your items with Fashionphile if you choose to. For like newer styles, I tend to look for things that are in excellent condition, and that's what this bag was. It was listed in excellent condition. So this is the bag, and on the sticker it says used is the new. I'll open that up. And it's in a Fashionphile dust bag when you first open it up. I thought that it came with the dust bag from the brand. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that it said it did. But we're just gonna open it up and see what kind of condition this baby is in. Remember, I said this is supposed to be in excellent condition, so I'm really excited. And without further ado, I'm really excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Can we just take a moment to admire this gorgeous bag? I'm so excited. So the bag that I got was the Saint Laurent medium sunset in calfskin leather. smells so good. And it's black on black, if you guys can't tell. Here's the YSL logo. And then of course it's just black leather. But look at this bag. Like I said, it's in excellent condition. And from looking at it for the first time, I would say that yes, it is definitely in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any fraying or melting of any glazing or anything. It has the clochette attached to it. You guys, this bag is so pretty. So obviously it has the fashion file tag on it that says remove the tag, own the bag. So once you take this off, you cannot return it for a refund. So just make sure you thoroughly inspect any item that you get from them before taking that tag off. I'm just gonna open it up. Wow, this is literally gorgeous. On the inside you have the Saint Laurent Paris logo right here and the strap. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the strap to the other side really quickly. So this is the bag. I got this. So this bag also comes with a chain, but I don't have any black like high-end bags. So I wanted something that could be versatile. I wanted it to be able to be dressed up for like more special events, a night out, that type of thing. But I also wanted it to be pretty subtle, so when I wear it out to the mall, I don't look extremely flashy in anybody's face, because I didn't really want that. I wanted something more understated, which is why I was really excited that I found this bag, because I feel like the black on black is really, it's really sexy and like edgy, but it's also extremely understated. So I'm definitely excited about that. All of the metal on this bag has the Saint Laurent logo. I won't say logo, but the Saint Laurent on it, so that's pretty exciting. Okay, so inside it does come with the Saint Laurent dust bag, like I mentioned. I guess they just put it in the fashion file dust bag for transport, and it has, we'll say, 2 main pockets. So let me see if I can show you guys real quick. 2 main pockets, and it's lined with velvet, is that what you would call it? Suede is what you would call it. It's lined with a really soft suede, and then you also have a pocket up front for like smaller things, so like right here. So these are the 2 main pockets, a pocket in the front. You do have a pocket along the back right here, and then in the very back you also have a pocket right here. So you have a total of 4 pockets that you can store stuff in, 5 if you count the one inside of the purse, that make it really convenient. It did say that it came with the authenticity card from Saint Laurent, which I'm assuming this is it right here. And it looks like this bag was purchased originally from Nordstrom, because it does have a Nordstrom sticker on the outside of the authenticity card. And it comes with all of the tags. So that is really exciting. That just allows you to have, in my opinion, more peace of mind when it comes to purchasing something that you didn't just purchase like straight from the manufacturer. So that is really exciting that it came with its authenticity paperwork. There was something else in here. Oh wow, so it actually has the tag that was probably on the purse. It also says from Nordstrom, and it gives the original price, the serial number, and all that good stuff. So I could probably take this into Nordstrom and see if this is actually something that was in their inventory, which I do plan on doing again. But I am literally so excited, you guys, about this purchase. I've been really wanting a black bag, and I am like really excited. Let me show you guys what it looks like on my body. Here's where it hits me. It's right at my hips. You can adjust the strap right here, so the strap can be adjusted to be smaller or longer if you choose, but as a shoulder bag it would hit me right there. Crossbody, it would hit me a little higher, which I do really like. I think this purse is really pretty, you guys. And of course the clochette, which would hang down in the front. Oh my gosh, look at this bag. I am like so excited, if you guys can't tell. Super excited. There it is, closed. How gorgeous, you guys. How gorgeous is this bag? I do really feel like I have a genuine Saint Laurent piece, It is backed with authenticity. It's a lifetime guarantee from Fashion File, so if you were ever to figure out that this bag was not authentic, you could take it back and get a full refund for the product. I have no doubt in my mind that this is an authentic piece. I did do a lot of research on what this piece looks like just being from St. Laurent, so definitely when making any type of pre-loved purchase from a retailer that's not the genuine retailer of the bag or item that you want, do your research, look over the item that you want, become familiar with the item that you want, and if something doesn't seem right when you're going to purchase this other item, go with your gut, don't get it. I did a lot of research on what this bag looks like, so I knew going into this purchase what I was getting myself into, what I should look for when it came to purchasing a genuine piece, and I definitely feel like I purchased a genuine St. Laurent bag. I will, like I said, go ahead and get it double authenticated by taking it to Nordstrom just to be safe, on the safe side, because I always do that with stuff that I buy that's not from the retailer. But I have no doubt that this is a genuine St. Laurent piece, and I'm so excited. It smells so good. Luxury bags, you guys. I'm a shoe person, yes, but a luxury bag person I definitely am, and that is my, I don't know what you would call it, but my obsession. If I have some money, I would definitely spend it on a purse. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. If you liked this unboxing video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see more unboxing videos. I often don't film my unboxings just because I'm not sure if you guys would be interested, but if you liked this video and you want to see more of what I purchased, let me know down below and I will definitely film more for you guys. I love, like I said, I love watching unboxing videos, so I definitely love filming them for you. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more unboxings from me in the future. I'm so happy. If you have any questions, also leave them down below. I will try to answer everything to the best of my ability. The links to my old unboxing videos will be down below, so check them out. But also a link to the Fashion File website will be down below. Let me know if you guys get anything from Fashion File or you purchased anything recently from Fashion File. I would definitely love to hear about it. And yeah, until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!